one speaker that's working, and I think it just blew. Alright, YouTube, man. Guess I'm gonna have a part 2 to this video because I don't think me installing, that stuff in the dump truck I did. I don't think it was long enough. I only think it was 5 minutes, man. I didn't get enough footage on that. But I am installing a radio in a 1984 Chevy c10. Man, this thing is clean, man. I mean, it's like showroom floor worthy. I mean, check it out real quick. Inside this damn thing clean too. You gotta excuse me this because I already started before recording, but check it out. I mean, the door panels crisp. All this shit has been repainted. All of it. You gotta excuse this. I done took the panel out because I'm already taking the radio. As you can see, there's the piece right there. I mean, but look at the dash, man. No cracks or nothing. Like, I mean, this truck is perfect. Look at the seat. See, nice. So yeah, man, this is what I'm taking out. And oh, there's Keenwood, man. I don't even know the year. It's faded. I ain't gonna be able to see it. But this is what I'm putting in here, man. Pioneer DHS31 Bluetooth. Yeah, man, it's gonna sound a whole lot better, man. But yeah, let me start it. Let me get this started. Okay, I ran into a little problem because the sleeve is kind of too big, so I'm gonna have to grind some of this shit down. You can see me grind it down. Yeah, let's see about this side. Yeah, gotta do some grinding. So I'm gonna pull my cheap ass rotary tool out, and it's time to get to work. Okay, finally got that motherfucker in there, man. It was a bitch, a lot of sanding. As you see, I missed a couple times right there, but it's all right. Right now I just got it plugged up down. I just see if it'll work. But first, I gotta plug this battery back up. Look at the motor, 350. Motor clean too. All right, let me plug this back up real quick and see what we got going on. All right, here go keys. See if we get anything. Oh, we got power! Why the hell did I just do that? How you cut it off? No, I don't want to do time. There you go back. There you go. English. Because I gotta go through all this shit. I ain't got no sound. Oh, yes I do. So, alright, so I guess we gotta button everything back up. And it's good. I got power. I'm happy. Now it's time to make it look pretty. Okay, I had to move the truck in some shade because, man, it is hot here in Tennessee. But I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. Got my iPod hooked up to it. Alright, let's see. What we working with? Oh, I forgot it's USB, not Bluetooth. Alright. Connect app. You wanna let my iPod connect? Come on. USB charge. You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. All that damn noise, man. I need a Harley, but I don't want that fucking hell. This sucks. No, let me just do Bluetooth and see what happens. See if I can find some non-copyright music real quick. No. Turn off. Copyright like a motherfucker. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Alright, as y'all see, it is working. There's only one speaker that's working. And I think it just blew. Wow, there is nothing. I mean, it's working. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. Golly. Yeah, he gonna use some new speakers. Look like I'm gonna be taking a dash out, but not today. And I did finally find the radio antenna. I'm actually surprised that the old ass antenna is actually picking up good, and I mean, actually has the name of the song and all this shit on there, man. But yeah, that's the only speaker that's working. The rest of them are blown. I'm about to replace all of them. Let me call my uncle and let him know. Alright, YouTube, I am done with the 84 C10, man. Well, not quite. I still got to put new speakers in it. It'll be coming soon, not today. I want to spend some time with my family, man. But dude, I mean, this is a nice ass truck. I love it. Very nice C10. I mean, if you got one look better than this, let me know. That's not sitting on 26s, of course. But yeah, man. It's the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in to my channel, man. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that shit, man. And just when you thought the video was over, it's not. Hold on, something on my camera. Okay, and just when you thought the video was over, it's not. Fuck it, I haven't posted the video, I haven't edited it, I ain't done nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this in the video too as well. I got the speakers, they some Keenwood 3.5 and 3 inches. I don't know, let's go check it out. Look at it. Okay, we got the Keenwood Exxon KFC X3C, 50 watts RMS power, 3.5, just like I thought. And yeah, man, it's gonna be a whole lot better than what he got in here. A whole lot better. Alright, and I forgot to show y'all, I did take the dash off. I wish I would have showed y'all how I got it off. I mean, it's pretty easy. Here we got some 7mm screws right here, right here, right here, right there, and just 2 Phillips, one right there, and then one right there as well. Damn, you can just lift it up, it comes right on off. But here's the speaker. You know what? I don't think this is factory. Really don't. It has like a little net, little guard screen, whatever you want to call it. But I mean, that damn thing is, ooh, shit, boy. Good God. Yeah, it's dry rot and everything. Look at this shit. I mean, you know, for a 1984 speaker, ain't bad. It's Pioneer. This can't be factory, yo. I don't think they do Pioneers in this. But now looking at the wire, you know what? Nah, that ain't factory. Somebody put this in here. Well, let me put these Keenwoods in here and I'll let y'all see how they sound. Alright, and if you wanna go ahead and take this whole little, you know, harness out, I'm not sure what you call it, because I don't think that's factory, no way. You can literally just take this little thing out. Comes out no problem. And reach in there, pull slow level back, comes right off. Right off. Just put this little thing back, pull on it, comes right off. Alright, Bluetooth is connected to the Pioneer single DIN. And I mean, it sounds good. By the way, that's Pooh Shicey.
Shiesty Season intro decaf version. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. I've been getting copyrighted like crazy lately. But I mean, it's good for a 50, 60-year-old man. He don't want no subs in here, nothing like that. It's literally all he wanted was up-to-date radio and new speakers. Sounds good. Well, I believe it's a Sunday driver, but I'm gonna try to buy this damn thing off of him. I love this truck. But let me put all this shit together and I'll walk around the truck one more time. Before you put the dash back on, don't forget to take this piece off. You cannot put it back on unless you take this damn piece off. I'm not sure what it's called, an instrument cluster, I think. Part of the dash, or I don't know. I know how to take it off, put it back on, I can tell you that much. Alright, I got everything buttoned up, put it back together, you know, blase. Let's glass look up. This truck's super clean, man. I want it. Me personally, I would have threw some 6x9s behind the seats, probably 2 10s or something, man. But I had to put the can't say it, yeah. I had to put the mic right there. I did have it right there, but I mean, this whole damn thing turns once you put it in drive, reverse, neutral, you know, whatever. But so far, like that's it for this video. It's Memorial Day. At least I think that's what it is. I don't know. I don't want to go with these holidays. But I'm finna go enjoy the rest of my day, man. Peace out, man. Thank you. My bad. Camera failed, but I'm hot. I'm sweaty. I'm ready to go. Thank you for tuning into my channel, man. Don't forget to grind hard.